Hello, you guys, and welcome back. So today we'll be doing a Senegalese twist style on a client who has an undercut shave in the back of her nape area. Let's get into the style. So our desired size today is small. I have already pre-parted my client's hair to the desired size that she is requesting. I'm also securing the hair that we are not working with as we start our styling process. Now that the hair is all prepped and ready to be twisted, we can now install our invisible root Senegalese twists that have no knot. So obviously you will separate the hair into two strands. You will line your braiding hair up with the two strands that you separated, and both strands should have their own piece of braiding hair, and you will twist outward. Depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed, that will determine which way you should twist the hair. With me being left-handed, I will twist towards my right, since that is my more dominant hand. Once you do that and you feel that the hair is secured in the twist, you should be able to start your rope twist. Once you start your rope twist or Senegalese twist, as people call them, you are going to twist in the same direction each time you go down. And you're going to do that in the process of rolling the hair between your fingers as well, which is creating the tension so the Senegalese twist will not unravel. Anyone that's watching this that's beginners, please have pomade, any jam gel, any pomade next to you so you can lubricate your fingers as you're twisting down on this hair, because your hands can get irritated or roughed up doing so and it can hurt. So I use pomade and it works wonders. One twist hack when styling your Senegalese twist, with using a pomade, it helps with the flyaways and the rigid hairs that are hanging out. So when you do have the finishing process, it'll look very slick when it's time to dip the braids. I'm going to speed up the video so we can get into the style a little more so you can get to the finishing look. As we're concluding our video, my client wanted rotted ends. So as you guys can see, I am dipping her hair and we're getting ready to take the rods off so you can see the finishing look. And here's the finishing look. Nice and cute. I want to give you guys some key points about this style. This style can take up to 1 to 2 weeks to loosen up depending on the client's hair texture. Pain level tolerance is up to you. Do your research before booking this style. This style is suitable for all types of hair, but I would recommend people with coarse hair or 4C type of hair get a smaller size to keep the curl pattern tighter. And the style duration can take up to 3 to 5 hours depending on the size requested. And this style looks very cute and authentic once it loosens up. So even though your braids look old, it still has a nice, fine look to it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe, and let's stay connected.